Hello. Eyes are fascinating. They make you see things. Like my child called sandwich. Oh my god, remember that. No, that hair smells nice. It smells like shit. I'm joking. No, it smells like new coats.
What does a new coat smell like?
It smells like flowers.
Really?
Coats smell of flowers. Flowers smell of coats. And then you got a nice smell.
Mm-hmm.
Edward Cullen. Chloe, Toya, phone. Edward, Chloe, Toya, phone, Edward.
Phone Edward.
I'm a star. I'm like Paris Hilton, but more black. Literally.
Hmm?
Literally black. Where's my dog? I'm fabulous. I'm fabulous. I'm about to whoop somebody's ass. What's in my head? What's in my head? Nose, mouth, eye, one eye. 'Cause
Give me another
I'm
question.
Mike. What is your favorite type of music? 'Cause mine is all these acts. Wait, that's not a type. That's a person. There's purple ninjas. Purple ninjas. Toya, look at the screen. Purple ninjas. Oh, whatever.